The Otuboyejo Igbaro Lineage Ijebu-Ode has presented to Oloja Eginrin Anukan family of Oyingbo Ijebu-Ode their candidates for the Jagirin chieftaincy title. Blessing Adewuyi report that Otumba Adedayo Oshinsoya was presented to the Oloja Jagirin at a family meeting in Oyingbo Ijebu-Ode. I report.
The presentation of Otumba Adedayo Oshinsoya to Oloja Eginrin Anukan family from Otuboyejo Igbaro Lineage was the outcome of the 48 hours ultimatum given to them on the Tuesday, the 12th of November 2025, to produce the new Jagirin of Oloja Eginrin Anukan. The family, through their secretary, Adelaja Abiodun, at the meeting introduced Otumba Adedayo Oshinsoya as the family's candidate for the Oloja Jagirin stool.
In line with the above resolution, we, the undersigned representative of the Otuboyejo Igbaro Lineage, being the lineage to present the candidate for the current term of the Oloja Eginrin chieftaincy, have, in the spirit of progress, unity, and kingship, unanimously and graciously agreed to choose and present Otumba Adedayo Oshinsoya as our lineage nominee for the position of Jagirin of Eginrin.
In his response, the Olorebi of Oloja Eginrin Anukan family, Chief Adediran Fetuga, commended Otuboyejo Igbaro family unit for meeting up with the 48 hours ultimatum and preached against disunity and hatred among members of the 7th unit of the family. The Olorebi also disclosed the next line of action.
We had meeting 3 days ago, and we asked the next online to present a candidate, which they brought today. So the palace will now give us the step to take to install him. It is the Afin that will give us those.
In his acceptance speech, the new Oloja Jagirin Otumba Adedayo Oshinsoya appreciates family members, friends, and well-wishers, particularly Otuboyejo Igbaro family unit, for their support and love, which led to his emergence, promising not to let them down.
The main promise is that I will continue to make the old Jagirin a household name in Ijebu land, and also I will make sure that the Jagirin family is projected as a noble family in Ijebu land.
It would be recalled that due to a petition written by one of the contestants of Oloja Jagirin stool, the Awujale Council Chief directed the family to produce another candidate through the family rotational system in accordance with Ijebu traditional law within 7 days. The 7 days ultimatum will lapse this Saturday, November 16, 2025. Ijebu-Ode, Blessing Adewuyi, NTA News.